Hola amigos, hi friends. Right now we are making a new video we're gonna show you how to align the handlebar with the front wheel, because sometimes at the time of assembly they made it wrong. See, like this is aligned this way, the wheel is straight like this, but this one is in a different angle. So all that we're gonna do is put it like align the wheel, but we have to lose the screw is with the Allen wrench right here to be able. Okay, now it's loose, and all that we're gonna need to do is making sure the wheel is straight and the handlebar is parallel with the frame. So I'm gonna tighten it a little bit just to make sure it's in the right angle, and then make a little adjustment straight, and this one has to be straight. Okay, and now we're gonna fold this one down a little bit, tighten it, and double check again. Still aligned a little bit. It has to be like that. See, this align. All that we have to do now is just tighten it in the same position. Okay, now is straight. Align handlebar with the wheel, and then just secure it with this, and that's it. Thank you for watching the video.